So welcome to this BlazeMeter Did You Know session. We're going to look at how we can ensure that the CSV data used in your testing is unique. So BlazeMeter allows you to actually use your existing CSV files as well as the synthetic data generation. You can also combine that synthetic data generation with your CSV files. We're going to show you how you can do that to ensure your data is unique. So here we are in BlazeMeter. We've created a performance test. We've defined our load and the characteristics and uploaded a JMeter script. And this JMeter script requires test data to run. So within the JMeter, we define the CSV files we need. If we expand the test data, these are the two CSV files. The first one, we've already defined the rules to create that data, and we're going to work on this second one. This is where we're going to actually use our existing CSV file to start with. So we need to attach that to our test. So I'm going to click on the plus button. Now we could create a CSV file within the actual UI. We can attach it from the test. We're going to import it. So I click on import. We then select the CSV file we're going to work with, which is this user details, and we attach that to our test. Now we can view this. So we can click on the edit button and we actually look at that CSV file. So you can see here we've got just first names, last names, and the titles. Now for our test, we need to make sure that all these last names are correct. There's over 1,000 records inside this CSV file. So a very easy way to do that is to use our synthetic data to augment that data. So let me show you how we can do that. So if we expand that, as I said, you've got the first name, last name, and title. We want to work on this last name. We're going to just copy that parameter name. We're going to create a new parameter. And this is going to be our last name unique. So what we do is we put the parameter name. So that's taken the parameter name from the CSV file. And we want to then add a unique value to the end of this. So we just do a plus. And the first thing we're going to do is going to add a hyphen, then a plus. And now we're going to add a function. So we can use any of our functions now to actually augment this. So like I said, if we look at our functions within Blaze Data, you can see all the different options we have here. Now we could create unique strings, but what we're actually going to use, if we scroll down to here, is we're going to add some random, some sequence generators, just like this. So we're going to say we want to use a sequence, and perhaps we're going to start at 100. Now, if I preview this, you'll see we've taken the last name and then adding a number. So again, if we go back to looking at our data, what we now have is, now this is the data from the CSV file, but also we now have a unique name because we're adding a number to the end of this string. So if I then say we want 100 records, we're going to take 100 values from that CSV file, and as you can see here, each one is then going to be extended to include a unique string to ensure that that name is unique. So as you just saw, BlazeMeter can be used to augment your existing CSV data to make sure the data is unique. For more information about BlazeMeter, please go to blazemeter.com, where we have blogs and videos, and also access to the BlazeMeter University with lots of free courses about BlazeMeter and also open source tools. Thank you.